our company, we come to you instead of you coming to the healthcare center. And we also give you the best rates around. We are focusing more on preventative healthcare because if we can prevent people from being sick, then it's going to bring a lesser burden to the whole healthcare system of the country. So if we if we can detect diseases from their earlier stage, then we can make sure that patients don't end up to a curative phase. We want to do that at a very affordable rate because not all the people can afford healthcare in South Africa. Our services are so affordable that everybody can afford them. And we are fortunate that the medical aid covers the services that we provide. But for those members that do not have medical aid, we are also able to give them affordable rates. We come to your home, we do your blood pressure, we do your cholesterol, we do your HB, we do your weight, your height, your BMI, services that you could have been done at the clinic, they are done at your own home. Services that you could have done at a healthcare center, they are done at your home at very affordable rates. We work around you rather than you going and sitting in a waiting room for hours and hours on end. We come to your home for stitch removals, for burn wounds, for diabetic foot, or any other wounds that you might have. We also give you wound education. Our dietitian formulates a diet plan on what to eat so that you can heal better for your wounds. We come to your home and assist you with the chronic diseases that you have. We'll help you with your treatment plan. We include in your treatment plan. And also if there's a need for a follow-up with a medical doctor, we also refer you to for that follow-up. We do the appointments for you on your behalf, or you can follow up also with one of the doctors that we have in our team. Once you have been diagnosed with having a chronic disease, we come and collect the script, we collect the medication from the pharmacy, and then we deliver it at your house or your workplace. And we do health assessments every month to see how are you doing. And we are able to take that information and send it to your doctor as well as your medical aid. We advise you on the medication that you are taking. And also on the side effects. We want to see, are you getting better or are you getting worse? You don't just stop your medication because it makes you vomit. We advise you on what to do so that it doesn't make you vomit. So that at the end of the day, you take the medication for what it's intended to, and then it makes you feel better. If we can detect that you've got a high blood pressure, we can refer you to a doctor that will either put you on a treatment, put you on a diet plan or workout plan so that you can better manage your blood pressure. An uncontrolled blood pressure can lead to a stroke, something which could have been prevented. You can high blood pressure falls in the category of lifestyle diseases. If you can reduce your body weight, if you can eat better, you can bring your blood pressure down without even taking medication. BMI is a body mass index. It measures, like I said, if you are overweight, obese or underweight. Using a BMI, we can calculate and see what are the likelihood of you having a high blood pressure. If you are obese, that makes you more vulnerable to diseases like diabetes, hypertension. By bringing their BMI down, they are reducing their risk of getting diseases like hypertension or diabetes. BMI calculator will be available on our website. With cholesterol, you need to make sure that you keep it at the minimum level. If it goes over a certain, over 5.2 on average, you might suffer coronary heart diseases later in life. So you need to make sure that you bring it down. Some people are able to bring it down by just changing their diet. Others will need medication. But if you don't screen for it, you'll never know. Most people have high cholesterol, but they're not even aware of it until one day they've got a heart disease that when they do the test, then they can see that, no man, this person has been having high cholesterol. But then if it was detected earlier, then you can prevent coronary heart diseases later in life. It is important to go for regular screenings because as you get older, there are some diseases that you are prone to. Like if you are a man above the age of 40, you must start looking at doing a PSA at least once a year, where they can check for prostate cancer, and if you have it, it is curable. And if you've got breast cancer, it is curable, but if it's detected early. So going for health screenings at regular intervals ensures that whatever diseases you might have, they do get prevented. If not, they can be cured. But if you leave it for too long, by the time you go, it might be too late. It is important to go for annual health screenings. 12 months is a very long time for any disease to develop. And because some diseases that were not detected last year, they could be picked up this year. If you go to our website, we've got a list on who must be screened, for what they must be screened, and how often must be done, and we also explain exactly what tests that they do. You might be allergic to, for example, penicillin, but without knowing it. But if you are given penicillin, it can have fatal results. So you can go to our website to check on what kind of allergies are there, what tests are done for them, and also how to prevent them if they are preventable. Biological and gender-related differences impact on both men and women. We've got a whole section dedicated to men's health. About 289,000 women died in 2013 of complication during pregnancy or childbirth. Most maternal deaths can be prevented. That's why it is very important to go for regular health screening, also especially in pregnancy. Breastfeeding is one of the most effective ways to ensure child health and survival. It's also one of the most cost-effective. As you go through our website, you'll find out that we've got more interesting facts and insight about maternal health. Visit our website www.kazohealthcare.com and you'll find all the services that we provide.